Good morning, children. I welcome you all to this session of GK, General Knowledge. And today we will be dealing with some very interesting things. Like the first one, science in everyday life. Children, you know that science is so amazing, right? Now read the questions and know their solutions. How do birds sit safely on electric pole lines? Right? You would have seen this. So the answer is this is possible because a bird only touches one line. If the bird was to touch another line, electricity would have traveled through the bird either on the ground or another wire. Right? So that is why they only touch one wire, that is why they are safe. The moment they touch another wire, they are gone. Now the second one, I think nowadays you are noticing this also. Why do we perspire before rain? Why do sweat come on our face before it rains? As because children, before rainfall, the atmosphere gets saturated with water vapor. As a result, the process of evaporation of sweat is delayed. So the sweat is not removed. Third, why does an ice cube float on water but sinks in alcohol? The reason is ice is lighter than water, therefore it floats. However, ice is heavier than alcohol, therefore it sinks. Here, lighter and heavier is related to density. The density of ice is lighter, is less than that of water, that's why it floats. And it's more than alcohol, that's why it sinks. Right? How do we see ourselves in the mirror? We see objects in the mirror when light rays from the mirror reaches our eyes. As a mirror have a shiny surface, the light rays are reflected back to our eyes. And right? Why do stars twinkle? The light from the stars reaches us after refraction as it passes through various layers of air. When the light passes through the Earth's atmosphere, it is made to flicker by the hot and cold ripples of air, and it appears as if the star is twinkling. A piece of chalk, when immersed in water, emits bubbles. Why? Chalk consists of pores forming capillaries. When it is immersed in water, the water begins to rise in capillaries, and the air present there is expelled from the bubbles. Right? That is why these pieces of chalk, they emit bubbles. Right? Now, a mysterious place. Space is a mysterious place. There are plenty of things we are unsure about it when it comes to the vast space. Right? Now let us go through some of these questions. Name the world's black spaceman is. The name of the world's only black spaceman is Prasna Latina, Yuri Tamayo Mendes or Arnaldo Tamayo Mendes. Now, Yuri, the word itself, it refers to a Russian, and Russians are rarely black. Have never seen any Russian black, right? Prasna Latina. Latina is Latin American, and I don't remember any Latin American going to the space, right? So the option remains Arnaldo Tomayo Mendes, right? And that should be the correct answer. Who invented telescope? Most of us feel it is Galileo Galilei, but it is actually Hans Lippershey who has invented the telescope. Right? Hans Lippershey. Next, which of these objects is farthest from the sun? Neptune, 90,377 Sedna, or Kuiper belt? Right? Very recently this has been in the news. It is 90,377 Sedna, which is farthest from the sun. Which planet has a fastest revolution time? Yes, of course, the smaller the planet, the faster revolution time it will have, and that is Mercury amongst the three. Which is the visible part of the sun called? The visible part of the sun is called the atmosphere. It is the atmosphere. Lithosphere is Earth, topmost surface. Photosphere is from where light comes. Sorry, it is photosphere, right? It's not atmosphere. Atmosphere is the air around us. It is photosphere, right? This is the correct answer. Which is not a dwarf planet? Pluto, Cyprus, or Aries? Yeah, it is Cyprus. It is Cyprus, which is the dwarf planet. Which two motions do all planets have? Rock and roll, orbit and spin, or twist and shout? It is orbit and spin. These are the two motions, rotation and revolution. Approximately how many miles are there in a light year? 5.8, 8.5 billion or 5.8 trillion? It is 5.8 trillion. 5.8 trillion, right? This one is the correct answer. An astronaut in outer space will observe sky as black, blue, or red. Red light, it has um, it has a larger wavelength, but the intensity is very less, so it will not reach, right? So we will be observing black. It will be observed as black. When did the space age begin? 1941, 1999, 1957. It is 1957. John Kepler is best known for his discovery of the tree leaves of, right? He has given one formula also, and that is of planetary motion. And now the last one. What is the name of the first woman space tourist? Yes? Namira Salim or Anusia Ansari or Julian Moore? Julian Moore, she's associated more with beauty pageants. It is Anuseh Ansari. The choices answer is B. We move to the next one. Multimedia. This would be very simple for all of you. The term multimedia is used to make up two words. Multi and media means more than one way through which one can convey information, right? The first, they play key role in the multimedia. They describe the text pictorially and help in explaining the concept through illustration and chart. Basically, which option is this? It is the image option. Images. Second, it is used to accompany animation and increase interactivity with the users, right? Through the forms of songs, right? Music or song, it is sound. The option is sound. Now the third one, it refers to the stimulation of movement created by displaying a series of pictures one after the other, and it is animation. Third is animation, right? Fourth, it refers to live images in motion recorded with the help of a camera. It influences multimedia application. It is none other than video. Fifth one, it is the primary component of multimedia. Information is conveyed through the picture here. See this picture here. It has to be text, right? Now we come to the sixth one. It enables virtual face-to-face communication amongst people sitting at different location. You would be doing classes through this. It is video conferencing, right? It is video conferencing, right? And now we move to the last. What is a medicine? This one, right? Dash is a disease caused by virus. It is common illness that causes fever, weakness, severe aches and pains and breathing problems. It is influenza. It is influenza, right? The dash are spread among people by coughing and sneezing, right? Please do not write COVID-19 here. It is flu virus, right? This is answer is flu virus. Dash is a special drug called dash are used for the treat disease caused by bacteria. Yes, we all use it when we feel sick. It is antibiotic. Antibiotic. Fourth, dash was the first natural antiseptic drug. It was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928, and no prizes for guessing it. It is penicillin. It is penicillin. Fifth, and dash describes a situation where disease affects a large number of people at the same time. Currently, which is happening in the world, it is epidemic. See here, the word is also given. It is epidemic, right? And now we come to the sixth one. Dash is a form of alternative medicine that involves puncturing the skin with needles at specific points. It is acupuncture. It is acupuncture, right? So that's the end of your course of second term. I stop here, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And until we meet again, it's a goodbye.